Mouse. Mouse likes cake. She likes to eat cake in bed. Mouse likes cookies. She likes to eat cookies in bed. She likes sandwiches. Mouse likes to eat sandwiches in bed. Mouse likes pizza. She likes to eat pizza in bed. She likes apples. Mouse likes to eat apples in bed. Mouse likes bananas. She likes to eat bananas in bed. Mouse loves cheese. She loves to eat cheese in bed. And Mouse likes to dream in bed too.